First of all, data handling. So data handling, it means data, it means information. So we will represent information through this pie chart. So what is the meaning of pie chart? So first of all, pie chart is a circular representation of data depicting relationship between a whole and its part. In a pie chart, a circle is divided into parts according to the number of data items. So today we will understand about the pie chart. So what is pie chart? So here we are seeing that this figure is about the pie chart. So here there is collection of foods. It means here is upma, fruit salad, sandwich and boiled eggs. So here different type of foods are given. According to them here pie chart. It means in this pie chart we will understand that here sandwich is more liked by children, right? So it is about pie chart. So today we are going to learn about the how to draw pie chart. So here we have to prepare pie chart. So question is given below in the data collected for the favorite ice cream flavors of 36 students in a class. Draw a pie chart to represent the data. So here favorite flavor are given and number of students. To total there are 36 students here given right now. So 36 students and everyone choices are different, right? So vanilla flavor hai. So 9 students like vanilla flavor. Then 9 students like pista flavor. 6 students like butterscotch. 6 students like strawberry flavor. 3 students like mango flavor and 3 students like chocolate flavor, right? So we have to prepare pie chart. It means in this pie chart, if we draw pie chart 36 part, so it is very tough to draw pie chart, right? So what can we do? So first of all, here the data is given. So first of all we will cut them. It means here look at here 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 3 threes are 9. So मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ जितना कटिंग होता है सो मैंने कट किया. इट मीन्स 3 से कट होता है, राइट? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now I will prepare pie chart according to them. It means 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 it means 8 plus 2 it means 10 11 and 12. So in this pie chart I will draw 12 part of this and then I will prepare pie chart. Understood? So here I have prepared pie chart. Look at here. It means total 12 part. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. It means 12 part. First of all I will write here vanilla. It means 3. Pista flavor. It means also 3. Then butterscotch. It means here 2 part. Then next one is strawberry. It means here also 2. Then mango flavor. It means 1 and chocolate flavor. Understood? So first of all we will draw vanilla flavor. So vanilla flavor it means here I will 3 पार्ट में क्या करूँगी, कलर करूँगी, राइट? 1 2 and 3. So these three parts are called vanilla. Understood na? So I will write here vanilla flavor. Then next one is pista color. So I will draw here pista. It means pista. It means I will draw here pista, right? It means total how many parts are there? 3 parts. So these 3 are about pista. So I will write here pista. Understood? Now the next one is butterscotch. So I will draw here butterscotch. It means total 2 parts, right na? So I will draw here 2 parts. It means butterscotch. Understood? Now next 2 is for strawberry. So I will draw here in 2 parts. I will draw here strawberry, right? So I will write here strawberry. Understood? Now one part is for mango. So I will take here mango. Okay? So this is for mango. Now the last one is for chocolate. It means one part. So I will draw here one part for chocolate. So it means here is chocolate. So this is our pie chart. It means 3 portion is for vanilla, 2 portion is for butterscotch, 2 portion is for strawberry, 1 for mango, 1 for chocolate and 1 for pista. Understood? Now coming to the next one. So the question is, the given pie chart shows different season of India divided into 12 parts. Each part shows 1 month. Fill in the following table with the help of pie chart. So here already pie chart is given. We have to give the following answers. Here the question में है already. Each part shows 1 month. So total there are 12 parts. It means 12 month. So here we will see winter. So winter में total कितने month है? 1, 2, 3 and total 4. So I will write here 4 months. Understood? Now the second season है monsoon. So here monsoon there are only 2 months, right? So I will write here 2 months. Now the next one है spring season. So in this spring season there is only one month, right? So I will write here 1 month. Then the next one is autumn. So autumn is also 1. So I will here also I will write here 1 month. Now the last one is summer. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means here there are 4 months. Understood? This is about the pie chart. Now coming to the next question. So here the given pie chart shows the number of tourists from the various countries who have visited India in the year of 2015. Answer the following question by looking at the pie chart. It means here pie chart is given. We have to give following answers. It means so here green it means Australia, then UK है and then USA है and also Japan. So in this figure we are already seen that UK is more than the other country, right? So we have to give answers of this following question according to this pie chart. So the first question is, from which country did the highest number of tourists come? So यहाँ which one is greater, it means highest. So in this figure which one is greater, it means UK. So the first answer is UK. Understood? Now the second question is, from which two countries did the same number of tourists come? So which these both are equal, it means Australia and Japan both are equal. So these both country tourists came more, right? Now the third one, it means tourists from which country are more, the UK or Japan? So which is greater, UK is more या Japan? So UK is more या Japan? So we know, obvious, we know the answer. It means it is UK. There are number of more tourists came to visit, it means visit to UK, right? Now the last one is, from which country did the least number of tourists come? It means less. So which one is less? It means USA, right? So this is the lowest number of tourists come to USA. Understood? So this is about our pie chart.